Navigating the landscape of legal services can often feel daunting, particularly when considering the associated costs. Rocket Lawyer has emerged as a popular online platform aiming to simplify access to legal documents and advice. Understanding its pricing structure is crucial for individuals and small businesses seeking affordable legal solutions. Rocket Lawyer operates primarily on a subscription-based model, although they also offer some services on a pay-as-you-go basis. The core of their offering lies in providing access to a vast library of legal documents that can be customized to your specific needs. These documents cover a wide range of areas, including business formation, contracts, real estate, and personal legal matters like wills and powers of attorney. Subscription plans. Rocket Lawyer typically offers different tiers of subscription plans, each with varying features and pricing. The exact details and pricing can change, so it's always best to check their official website for the most up-to-date information. However, generally, you can expect to find options such as monthly subscription. This plan provides access to their document library, the ability to create and customize legal documents, and often includes features like attorney Q&A for specific legal questions. This option is suitable for individuals or businesses with ongoing legal needs, or those who want the flexibility of a month-to-month commitment. Annual subscription. Opting for an annual subscription usually offers a more cost-effective solution in the long run, providing the same core features as the monthly plan, but at a discounted yearly rate. This is a good choice for those who anticipate needing regular access to legal documents and advice throughout the year. Pay-as-you-go services. In addition to their subscription model, Rocket Lawyer often provides certain services on a one-off basis. This can include individual document purchases. You might be able to purchase a single legal document without subscribing to a monthly or annual plan. The price for individual documents will vary depending on the complexity and type of document. This can be useful for those with a specific, isolated legal need. Ask a lawyer service. Rocket Lawyer may offer an option to consult with an attorney for a specific question or a short consultation on an hourly or flat fee basis without requiring a subscription. This allows you to get targeted legal advice when you need it. Free trial. It's common for Rocket Lawyer to offer a free trial period for their subscription service. This allows potential users to explore the platform, access documents, and potentially utilize other features for a limited time before committing to a paid plan. Always be sure to understand the terms and conditions of any free trial, including the duration and whether you need to provide payment information upfront. Process for beginners. Visit the Rocket Lawyer website. Your first step is to go to the Rocket Lawyer website. Explore pricing and plans, look for a dedicated pricing page, or explore the different subscription options and any available pay-as-you-go services. The website will typically outline the features included in each plan and their respective costs. Consider your needs. Think about the frequency with which you anticipate needing legal documents or advice. If it's a one-time need, a single document purchase or a consultation might suffice. If you foresee ongoing requirements, a subscription plan could be more economical. Review features. Carefully examine the features offered in each subscription tier. Decide which features are essential for your situation. For example, do you need regular access to attorney advice, or is the document library sufficient? Check for a free trial. If available, consider signing up for a free trial to experience the platform firsthand before making a financial commitment. Understand the commitment. If you choose a subscription, be aware of whether it's a monthly or annual commitment and the terms for cancellation. Payment and access. Once you select a plan or service and provide payment information, you will gain access to the Rocket Lawyer platform and its features. Tip for viewers. Before subscribing to Rocket Lawyer, take some time to identify the specific legal documents or services you anticipate needing. Compare the cost of getting these individually, if that's an option on the platform or through traditional means, with the cost of a subscription. This will help you determine if the subscription model aligns with your actual legal needs and provides the most cost-effective solution for you. For instance, if you only need one basic contract, purchasing it individually might be cheaper than a monthly subscription. However, if you foresee needing multiple documents or ongoing legal guidance, a subscription could offer significant value.